Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture of ordinary differential equation. In a series of ordinary differential equation lectures, I will try to cover all the topic, and this lectures will help you to also solve the gate set net questions. In the series of ordinary differential equation, first we discuss the basic concept, that is what is ordinary differential equation, then what is degree, order, how to find out order and degree of differential equation. Then we discuss first order first degree ordinary differential equation. In first order first degree ordinary differential equation, we discuss the linear differential equation, then exact form, Bernoulli, reducible to linear. This all we are going to discuss with their examples. Then we start higher order differential equations, how to solve higher order differential equations, and also we are going to discuss some important questions on all the topic. And if you want a particular any topic of ordinary differential equation, then you may write in the chat box, so I will discuss that topic with examples. So let's start with the first. What is differential equation? The definition of differential equation is an equation involving the derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variable is called differential equation. The simple meaning of this definition is, now see here I written two examples. If you observe this first and second example, here the first example contain derivative and derivative of variable y with respect to x. So here y is our dependent variable and x is independent variable. So in this equation contain derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So this equation is nothing but differential equation. Now in the second example, if you observe this second example, it contains derivative of z with respect to x and y. That means here z is the only dependent variable. So in this example, z is dependent variable and we are taking derivative of z with respect to xy. So x and y are independent variable. So here in this second example, it again involves the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So this is again a differential equation. Now from this two example, here we are taking dy by dx and here del z by del x. That means it is representing partial derivative and it is a total derivative. So it is nothing but our ordinary differential equation and this is a partial differential equation. So with the help of this concept, we are dividing the differential equation into two parts. That is here. So there are two types of differential equation. First is ordinary differential equation and second is partial differential equation. This is the example of ordinary differential equation and the second example is partial differential equation. Now we see the definition of ordinary differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation? The definition of ordinary differential equation is differential equation involving the derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to single independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. See here, it contains one or more dependent variable or single independent variable. तो इस इक्वेशन में स्ट्रिक्टली सिंगल इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होना चाहिए और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल की कोई कंडीशन नहीं है. वी कैन टेक वन और मोर डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. सो हियर इन फर्स्ट एग्जांपल it contains strictly single independent variable. So this is a ordinary differential equation. In second equation, it contains single dependent variable. Same here in first example, it contains single dependent variable, but still second equation is not our ordinary differential because it contains two independent variable. So our condition is equation must contain single independent variable. Now see here, suppose we have given differential equation in this form, dx by dt plus dy by dt is equals to sine t. Now see, in this example, this equation contains derivatives and derivatives of x and y with respect to t. So here x and y are dependent variable, and we are taking derivative with respect to t, so t is independent variable. So in this example, it contains two dependent variable but single independent variable. So this is the example of ordinary differential equation. Now same way, if we take another example, dx by dt minus twice dy by dt equals to e raised to e power t. Here again it contains two dependent variable and single independent variable. So this is also example of ordinary differential equation. Now we see the definition of partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation? Definition is a differential equation involving the partial derivative of one or more dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable is called partial differential equation. That means if equation contains more than one independent variable, then that differential equation is called partial differential equation. Suppose for example, we have given equation del z by del x plus del square z by del x del y plus del square z by del y square is equals to sine xy. See here, in this example, it contains derivative of z with respect to x as well as derivative of z with respect to y. That means here z is the dependent variable and x, y are independent variables. So this is the one example. Now see second example. It again contains one dependent variable and two independent variables. So this is the again example of partial derivative. Now we see the third example. Suppose we have given del y by del x plus del z by del t plus del y by del t is equals to 0. Now see, in this example, it contains derivative of z and y. So here z and y are dependent variable. And here derivative of zy with respect to x and t, that means x and t are independent variable. So in ordinary as well as in partial differential, there is no restriction for dependent variable. You may take one or more than one dependent variable. The just difference between ordinary and partial is about independent variable. If our equation contains single independent variable, then that is a ordinary differential equation. If our equation contains more than one independent variable, then it is our partial differential equation. Now in the next lecture we discuss the order, degree and some example on order and degree of ordinary differential equation. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.